Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today's discussion is Rural Development Scheme introduced in Union Budget 2020. First is housing. In housing sector, the government has sought to provide electricity and clean cooking facility to all the willing rural families by 2022 under Ujjwala and Saubhagya Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin will provide 1.95 crore houses to eligible beneficiaries during its second phase, along with amenities like toilets, electricity, and LPG connection. Now the house will be completed in 114 days, which earlier took 314 days to be built. In sanitation sector, the Swachh Bharat mission will be expanded to undertake sustainable solid waste management in every village. Digitalization. Under the Bharat Net internet connectivity will be expanded to local bodies in every panchayat. To speed up Bharat Network project, assistance from Universal Obligation Fund under a PPP arrangement is to be utilized. Connectivity. The government will upgrade 1,25,000 kilometers of the road over the next 5 years under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana phase 3rd. Rural economy. Under scheme of funds for upgradation and regeneration of traditional industries, common facility centers are to be set up to facilitate cluster-based development during 2019-20 with specific focus on bamboo, honey and khadi. Under scheme for promotion of innovation, rural industries and entrepreneurship, livelihood business incubators and technical business incubators to be set up in 2019 and 2020 to develop 75,000 entrepreneurs in agro-rural industry sector. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana to be established to robust fishery management framework including modernization, productivity, quality control, etc. Now we will divide the schemes in different part. So the first scheme will cover water conservative schemes. Under this we have Jal Shakti Abhiyan. See, this is approved by Union Ministry and State Government. It was launched by Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. It comes under the Ministry of Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation. The aim of this Abhiyan is to provide drinking water to every household on priority and in sustainable manner. Its focus areas are water stress district and block. The campaign is centered on 5 aspects: water conservation and rainwater harvesting, renovation of traditional and other water bodies and tank, the use of water and recharging of structures such as borewell, watershed development, intensive forestation, etc. Then is Atal Bhujal Yojana. The ministry, it comes under the Ministry of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Regeneration, Ministry of Jal Shakti. The outlay of the scheme is rupees 6,000 crores with the help of World Bank, and the duration of this scheme is 5 years. It was implemented on 24 December 2019 to improve underground management through community participation in identified priority areas in 7 states. Then is Jal Jeevan Mission. The estimated budget is more than 3.5 lakh crore. It comes under the Ministry of Jal Shakti. The main aim is to provide drinking water connection to all homes by 2024 and also to solve the 2 problems faced by Indian women, that is lack of water and lack of toilets. Then is Samagya Shiksha Jal Suraksha. It comes under the Ministry of HRD. It was launched by HRD Minister Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and Union Minister for Jal Shakti Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat on 9th August 2019. It comes under the Ministry of Human Resource Development. The aim of this scheme is to create awareness about water conservation among them and aims to connect more than 10 crore students with this program. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.